If you are not growing on YouTube, chances are you are making one of these 5 deadly mistakes. Welcome back to Gift Ichichiku channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you are making the mistake that is making your channel not to grow, that is making your channel and your videos not to be pushed out there. When you drop videos, nobody's watching. This is our second series on how small creators will grow. So if you have not watched the first video, go back and watch the video. So let's dive right in. Number 1 is bad title. In that first video, I talked about your title. Now, you are a small creator, you are a beginner, you are struggling for growth. And when you try to put out a good and a valuable and interesting video, you will kill your video, you will kill your channel with bad title, bad topic. The video is valuable, is of interest, is going to solve problem. But by the time I seize the topic, I will click out, or I will not even click because of what? The title. I might be thinking that it's not going to give me the value I want. For that reason, I will not click on that video. So this is one of the deadly mistakes that small and growing creators are making. Make sure your channel and your videos, you are giving a good title to your videos. And if you have a valuable video that you dropped and the title is not given, please pause this video and go and search for a good title that is searchable. Put it in that your video. You will see a great change. You will see a maximum growth. You will see people clicking. Number 2 mistake people are making is thumbnail. I always say in my videos that your thumbnail is your label. In a market where you are new and you are carrying a valuable product, your brand is giving, but your thumbnail is not giving, automatically people will not come to buy that product. Remember, you are new. Your thumbnail is your advert. Your thumbnail brings people to your channel to watch that particular video, to watch your videos that are in your channel. Thumbnail is giving them a signal that this video is a good video. And if you don't know how to create a good and engaging thumbnail, go to YouTube search bar and type how to create a thumbnail. Automatically, it will show you how to create a good thumbnail. Number 3 mistake small content creators make is uploading randomly instead of posting what consistently. As a small YouTuber, you have to challenge yourself and give yourself a challenge of posting consistently at least 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week. But if you can do it of posting at least every day for 30 to 60 days, you will see a great change on your channel. So you have to try to put out quality videos. Number 4 is your analytics. Have you been using your analytics as a small content creator? There are a lot of importance attached to what? Analytics. Now, it is through analytics you will be able to know how much people are clicking on your video, the area that is going higher on your words, on your video. Through that analytics, you click on that particular video to know where the audience are more engaged. You can now cut out from there and do what? Remix it at your shots. Then another importance of your analytics is through your analytics, you'll be able to know the type of videos that your audience, your viewers love watching, making and helping you to do what? To create videos on those areas. You don't create video that is of your own interest, but rather what your viewers what will like to watch, what they have interest on. And by the time you are making videos on that, you are running away from all these mistakes. Are you getting the point there? Now, number 5 is, are you engaging your audience, your viewers? A lot of small creators make this mistake also. When you are creating a video or in the process of putting out a video, do you tell your audience, your viewers, do you remind them? Engaging them means doing what? Reminding them. You have to remind them to do what? To like their comment, and to do what? To subscribe. Because by the time you subscribe, somebody can be watching your video without remembering that, I need to subscribe to this channel. So by the time you said, please do what? To subscribe, like, and drop your comments, the person will know that it is of importance. And by so doing, the person is doing what? Supporting you, and you're getting subscribers. And by the time you remind the person, please like, by the time the person clicks like, it will send signal to what? To algorithm, to YouTube, that people are liking this content, and they will do what? Push it to people. The same thing applicable to comment. So, which of these mistakes are you making? Be honest and drop your comment at the comment section. See you for more video. Bye.